In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Soundtrap.com, the website, and show you how to create an account. So Soundtrap.com is an online website, and it works on any device where you can create and edit audio. It's similar to Audacity and GarageBand and a bunch of other programs. The difference is it's online based, so you could start on one computer and then continue the project on a tablet or a phone or another computer. What we're going to do is we're going to create our account. You're going to go to soundtrap.com and you can click join now or you can click log in. What you're going to do is you're going to select the personal use and you're going to sign in with your school Gmail account. It should already really be set up for you. Just use the same password and it'll take you right there. As you log in, it's going to take you to your home screen. And if you're logging in for the first time, we're going to have to change some things, but this is what your home screen looks like. First thing you need to do is you need to go to Settings. You're going to click Edit Profile, and we're going to change the privacy settings so that no one can contact us. Go to the top, click Privacy. You're going to select Turn Off, and click Save. Anywhere you are on the website, if you clicked this logo, it's going to take you back to your home page, but looks like it already took us back. If you wanted to change your background and any of that fun stuff, you could always do that by clicking Edit Profile and changing that based off of what you want. Now there are a bunch of different editions of Soundtrap. We are on the free edition right now. You never have to buy anything for this, but you certainly could if you wanted to, and I'll show you the differences. And the basic, we can save up to 5 projects. We have 900 loops and 210 instruments. I'll show you what those things mean in a later video. But if you ever wanted to pay for a premium or a Supreme account, you could see what that gives you. But for the purposes of what we do in class, you never need anything more than basic. When we go back to our home page, I just want to show you a few things. Beyond that, you could put any tags or anything that interests you up here. More importantly, this will show you all the projects that you have. Right now I only have one project. You probably won't have any as you log into yours. But as soon as you start saving projects, they're going to be here. So that is Soundtrap.